the first makeup video of 2026, and tonight we're doing family photos on the beach in Hawaii. So this makeup needs to last me literally all night long. It needs to withstand the heat and humidity. Let's do it together. Skin prep, I'm just gonna keep very minimal. I'm just going to do High Road Glazing Milk. I don't want to be overly hydrated because like humidity and too much hydration just does not mix for me. I really have not been wearing makeup this trip, and so I thought that I brought real foundation, but I do not have any. I forgot it. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this L'Oreal True Match. As the trip has gone on, I really thought I would be more tan than this, but I've definitely gotten paler because now my self tanner has worn off. Might be a little bit dark for me. The pigment and the coverage in this e.l.f. camo contour is really good, and this is a hybrid between a bronzer and a contour, so I'm just gonna use this for both. Also, it feels kind of weird filming in the bathroom. What do we think? Do we like the switch up? One of my current favorites, I'm gonna go, okay, so it's broken. This is Rosy Glow from Charlotte. To get a seamless blend, I'm gonna coat the brush first and then apply a little bit on the nose. Actually feels so nice to wear makeup. I literally haven't worn makeup in a long time, and this feels good. I tried this Il Makiage concealer the other day. I really liked it. I'm gonna cover this planet that appeared on my face this morning. Now just blending with my concealer brush. So the thing with getting professional photos done is you always want to wear more makeup than you think you need because the camera really just washes you out. So going in with a little bit more concealer. Key to this whole look not budging all day is going to be setting everything. For the under eyes, I'm using the One Size translucent powder, and then for the rest of the face I am setting with pressed powder, and I'm just tapping over everything because I can never have enough blush. Tap into this shade here from this Hourglass palette, and I'm just gonna put this on top. Makeup Forever Setting Mist. Rare Beauty makes some of my favorite liquid highlights. This is shade Transcend. I'm gonna put this down the bridge of the nose. Lightly tap this on the cheek. I have this fresh, unused little Patrick Ta palette. This shade here, and that's going all over the lid. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of the darker shade. Focus this on the outer part of the eye. Wait, look how pretty this bronzy shimmer is from this Makeup by Mario palette. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to the eye. Look at how gorgeous. Do a little bit of a brown gel liner. Do like a little baby wing. Flick it out with my nail. I'm gonna turn on the fan in here because I'm sweating. It's so hot. For a beauty creator, I definitely forget a lot of makeup whenever I travel, so I forgot my lashes. We're just gonna use the Kosas mascara. Lip, I'm going to use Thigh Suede. I think these last me a long time. It's the perfect lip liner. These just dry down really fast, so I feel like I have to blend very quickly. Lipstick, I'm feeling Your 120. So we're basically doing a gloss and a lipstick all in one. Okay, I feel like this glam is enough for beach photos. It's not too much, not too heavy, but hopefully it will photograph well. Bye.